In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install BigPicture in Jira to get started. Make sure you are logged into Jira with administrator access. This is important because only admins can install and manage apps inside Jira. If you are signed in with a regular user account, you may not see the options needed for this process. Once you are inside Jira, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click the Apps icon. This will open the Apps area where you can manage existing tools and discover new ones. From there, select Explore More Apps. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace section connected to your Jira instance, where you can search for apps that extend Jira's functionality. When the Marketplace page opens, find the search bar and type BigPicture. Then press Enter on your keyboard. After a moment, the search results will appear. Take a second to confirm that you are selecting the correct app, since search results can sometimes include similarly named tools. Once you locate BigPicture in the results, click Try it for free. Jira will then guide you through the trial setup process. On the next screen, click Review, and then click Start Free Trial to begin the installation. At this point, the app will start installing in your Jira environment. Now, it's completely normal for the installation to take a little time. So don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Depending on your system and connection, it may take a few moments for everything to finish. During this time, it's best to wait until Jira completes the setup in the background. After the installation is complete, you will be able to access BigPicture from the Apps drop-down in Jira. That means the app has been successfully added and is now available for use. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page and checking the Apps menu again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.